What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. We are on day 57 of this 10-week beginning 5K program. You guys are doing marvelous. Let's get moving. All right. Week 9. It's only a 10-week program. You guys are crushing it. We're almost done. This is amazing. So today is a workout. Get those running shoes on. Here's Coach Robin, and let's get going, everybody.
Hey runners, it is Monday, and you know what Monday means. Monday means we had a great rest and recovery day yesterday, so I hope you found something fun to do. And today means it's our bump up day again. So we are at 2 3/4 miles. So how close are we to 3.1 miles? That is our finish line. We're pretty close. So one time around a track is 1/4 mile. So we're just a little bit over 1/4 mile away from our finish line. So we have 2 3/4 miles today. And we're going to get it done, and I know you're going to do really, really great because you've done all the work leading up to this, and that's why we take it nice and gradually increase our distance so that we don't have anything too big and scary ever. So we just do little increments, and today's another 1/4 mile more than we did last week. So let's get it done, and I'm going to do my warm-up. I'm going to do my run here at Carlsbad Beach. It's a little crowded, but I'm going to be really, really careful, and I have my mask with me. So you do the same, and I'll see you after I run and do my stretches afterwards. Hey guys, that felt really, really good for me. It was just 1/4 mile more than what we have done already. So, you know, just a couple minutes more out there running. I felt really, really good. I know we're getting there. We're so, so close. So we have this week and next week left, and then it is our race day. So keep up the great work, and I will see you out here tomorrow. Tomorrow we bump it back down to 2 miles again, all right? So no big deal there. It's going to be a breeze. So actually, speaking of a breeze, there's a really nice breeze here at the beach today. And I hope it's nice where you are too. So have a great one, and I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, guys, great job. Week 9 is on its way. You're done with the first day. That is day 57 out of the total program. You guys are rocking it. You are superstars, and we are very, very, very proud of you. If you like this program, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified every time we put out a video. And also make sure you share this with anyone who can use this 5K program, or anyone who's just looking to be healthy, because this whole channel, my channel, is all about helping people get healthy, stay healthy, live longer, and age gracefully. So make sure you share it, and we will see you tomorrow, everybody. Have a great one.